In the last video, we talked about the biggest ChatGPT mistakes. Now it's time to do what actually matters. In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for real work, for content, productivity, and everyday tasks you already do. No theory, no hype, just practical examples you can start using today. Real situation number 1. You don't know what content to post. The problem, in real life. You sit in front of your computer thinking, what should I post today? You waste 30 to 60 minutes and still publish nothing. How ChatGPT improves it. You ask ChatGPT, I have a YouTube channel about self-development for beginners. Give me 10 video ideas that are practical and searchable. Result: instant clarity, structured ideas, no creative block. ChatGPT becomes your idea generator, not the creator. Real situation number 2. You write, but it sounds weak. The problem: you write an email, caption, or description, but it sounds boring, unprofessional, unclear. How ChatGPT improves it. You paste your text and ask, rewrite this to sound clearer, more confident, and professional. Result: same message, better delivery, higher impact. This is how professionals use ChatGPT daily. Real situation number 3. You have too many tasks and feel overwhelmed. The problem: your to-do list is messy. No priorities, no structure. You don't know where to start. How ChatGPT improves it. You ask, here's my to-do list. Organize it by priority and create a simple daily plan. Result: clear order, reduced stress, actionable plan. ChatGPT acts like a personal productivity assistant. Real situation number 4. You need to learn something quickly. The problem: you want to learn a new tool or concept, but tutorials are long, explanations are complicated. How ChatGPT improves it. You ask, explain this topic to me like I'm a beginner, step by step, with examples. Result: faster learning, no confusion, focus on what matters. This is AI-assisted learning. Real situation number 5. You need to write a professional message. The problem: you need to send a work email, reply to a client, write a formal message, but you're not confident in your wording. How ChatGPT improves it. You ask, write a professional but friendly email to a client explaining a delay. Result: clear tone, polite language, less anxiety. This is one of the most common real-world uses of ChatGPT. ChatGPT doesn't replace your thinking. It supports your thinking. You bring the goal, ChatGPT helps with execution. Now that you've seen real examples of ChatGPT in action, the next step is learning how to write prompts properly so you get results like these every time.